ones that you grow are the worst. Hello everyone, welcome to Expedition Homestead. My name is Katie. Today we're going to be making a simple 10 ingredient chicken noodle soup recipe. You guys are going to love this one, and we got all of these vegetables straight from our garden. One of the biggest reasons we garden is so that we can create our own meals from our garden each and every day. My grandma had 12 kids, so she taught me the importance of using what we have. And some of these ingredients might sound a little weird to you, but trust me, it's going to be great. Today we harvested garlic, beans, carrots, kohlrabi, onions, and cabbage. We also harvested some basil from our herb patch. Some other herbs that you can use, depending on your taste, would be rosemary, thyme, and oregano. Today we're just going to be using thyme and basil, and of course, salt and pepper. We would have butchered our own chickens, but because of city ordinances, it's not allowed. So this is something else that we got at the store. We also chopped up equal parts of the carrots and onions and kohlrabi. I didn't want to search for more beans, so this is about what I grabbed. The garlic is kind of to my taste, and let's get started. Next we have 5 of these chicken broths boiling in this stock pot. We're going to be adding all of the ingredients except the noodles. We're going to be cooking this for about 20 minutes without the noodles and 10 to 15 minutes with the noodles. Make sure you add in your herbs and spices right away so that they can work their magic. Give it a good stir. Another thing that my grandma taught me is to always add milk. We like to buy the whole grain egg white noodles, and I usually add the entire bag to the batch, but that's because we like to have thick soup. But once again, this is something that can change depending on your preference.
As Katie was saying a little bit earlier, we like to keep it simple here, which is why we're not extremely stringent on the amount of spices and herbs that you should be adding to your chicken noodle soup. But keep in mind, you can never take out what you've already added in. So it's always best to add in a little bit at a time, taste it, and see if it pleases your taste buds.
We have a ton of recipes for the produce in our garden, and we want to start incorporating these into videos for you all. So if you liked today's video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.